Hey y'all, so this is what it looks like on the inside back behind the panel of a Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon X1, whatever they call it. Um, so when I would print anything that was a high temperature, so mostly all of my ASA and ABS that I have over there, it would shut off, like completely shut off. This power button would lose all the light and I would have to turn it off and turn it back on to get it to actually do anything. And talking with Bamboo Lab, open a support case. It's not under warranty anymore, but Bamboo has pretty exceptional support. And so did some troubleshooting and they said I needed a new power supply. So I put in this new power supply, and I have to say, most people that know me think I just love working on this stuff, and I have to say I never wanted to be a 3D printer repairman. They do make it fairly easy compared to like a Creality where it just doesn't work all the time and you have to constantly be working on it. Whereas with this, once it works, it just works. And I've had mine for a couple of years now, maybe. I don't remember when I got it, but I've got over 1,000 hours. I think I have 12 or 1,300 hours. When it boots up, it tells you how many hours are on it. And so it's got a lot of prints, and it's all high temperature prints too. I don't print anything out of PLA hardly ever. I've probably gone through 2 or 3 spools of PLA in a lifetime. Everything's been ASA or ABS. Probably as much PETG as I have PLA, but it's mostly the high temp stuff. So we'll see how this goes back together and if that solves the problem, and I'll let you know.